Hi, everyone. In this video, I am going to explain the emotion prompting technique in detail. You can find the notes for this video lecture in the book LLM Prompt Engineering Simplified, which is free to access and read online. Emotion prompting involves adding emotional cues to prompts. A simple example of an emotion cue is, "This is very important to my career." In simple words, emotion prompting means prompting with emotion cues. Now, let us see how emotion prompting works. Emotion prompting is based on psychological studies that reveal the beneficial impact of emotional cues on individuals. Let us understand this with a simple example. When an instruction is given to individuals, they will do it. But when an emotion cue is given along with the instruction, individuals will do the task much better. This is because emotion cues like "this is very important" emphasizes the importance of the task, and so the individuals do the task much better. In a similar way, when emotion cues are included in the prompts, chatbots generate more accurate and relevant answers. If you observe, the original prompt without any emotion cue achieves moderate results. The emotion prompt with emotion cue achieves much better results. Now, let us see the pros of emotion prompting. The first advantage of emotion prompting is ease of use, that is, all you need to do is append an emotion cue to the original prompt. The second advantage of emotion prompting is better performance, that is, emotion prompting enhances the chatbot's performance by a good margin. Now, let us see the cons of emotion prompting. The first disadvantage of emotion prompting is manipulation and bias, that is, malicious actors could use emotional prompting to manipulate chatbots into generating harmful content or fake news. The second disadvantage of emotion prompting is misinterpretation of cues, that is, chatbots might misinterpret emotion prompts, leading to inaccurate or inappropriate outputs. To summarize, emotion prompting is a simple prompting technique to enhance the performance of LLMs just by appending emotion cues. I hope you find this video informative. Like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss new video lectures. See you in the next video lecture.